Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romales. No joke. No joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
In a fit of rage kasi nakulong yung aide mo.
Putang ina ninyong lahat. Martin Romualdez, Lisa Marcos, Bongbong Marcos.
The chair declares the sufficiency in substance of Zabala et al. Impeachment complaint. So ruled. The chair declares the Cabrera impeachment complaint sufficient in substance. So ruled.
Sarado sa publiko pero itinuloy ang pre-trial conference para sa impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte na nagkaroon ng 5 sesyon from June 18 to June 25, 2026. Ang pre-trial conference ay, kung iisipin, paghahanda bago ang showdown sa July 6 kung saan maglalabas ng ebidensya na gagamitin para sa trial mula sa panig ng House of Representatives at Prosecution Panel at sa panig ni VP Sara o Defense Counsel.
Yung pre-trial brief, ma'am, ilang pages po yun?
I think it's 57.
And can you tell us anything about
I'm not, with respect to the contents of the brief, I'm not authorized to speak about it. So, sorry. Yun lang.
Diyan safe to say ba na parang nandun yung names ng witnesses?
Yeah, I've seen some names naman. Mayroon namang mga in-identify. Marami namang in-identify. So I think nag-press ko naman kanina sila Chair Lumistro sa House.
So, list of evidence.
So we'll see hopefully on Thursday.
Thursday. Para dun sa ano na
Pero mga nalang, yung ano bang supposedly contents ng pre-trial?
Of course, yung lahat. Yung witnesses, stipulation of facts, mga ganyan.
So today, we just submitted yung aming pre-trial brief as ordered by, of course, the impeachment court. So, today yung deadline. So we were able to submit ako. We have to respond to Vice President.
Sir, how many pages po?
Pages? 60, around 60 something pages.
It has all the witnesses and evidence?
Of course, as much as possible, nilagay na natin lahat ng ating witnesses that we are looking to present and also documentary evidence that we are looking to present.
Sir, ilang witnesses yung nasa?
Medyo we can't have the exact number 7. Several. So, pasensya na kayo.
Anything else, sir, na you can share with us? Ano po ba yung mga nilalaman pa ng pre-trial brief that you
We
said?
can't because as you know, under the rules of the Senate Impeachment Court, we cannot discuss the merits of the case or findings. So, hindi na muna kami magdi-discuss niyan. All we can say is, of course, ito naman yung proseso. As you can see, sumusunod tayo sa proseso and we are looking forward to the pre-trial conference. They scheduled this Thursday. Always in good spirits, always in good spirits. Sabi nga namin parati, tuloy-tuloy na yung trabaho niya bilang Vice Presidente, regardless of the impeachment proceedings. Kaya nga nandito kami sa defense team para kahit may ganit tayong impeachment sa kanya, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung para magampanan niya yung mandato niya. Vice Presidente, tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho.
Pero despite what many may insinuate, walang talbugang nagaganap dito o ginanap dito. Walang malalang awayang mangyayari dahil ang punto lang naman ng pre-trial conference na ito ay markahan kung ano ang mga ebidensya, sino ang mga witnesses, at kung ano-ano pa.
We cannot say even that there was domination by the defense over the prosecution, because what happened really is a mere exchange of argument, mere exchange of manifestation, which ended to an agreement to submit instead all the issues, all the admissions and denials, including the list of witnesses, list of exhibits, lahat ng nag-circulate sa social media about dominating the prosecution. We do not agree to that. As a matter of fact, I charged it to fake news, which we have anticipated ever since this impeachment process is started, kahit no nasa house ba, no? And that is why I wish to remind the Filipino people, let us be cautious in reading from social media. Prosecutors are representing the Filipino people. No way na papayag tayong madumi na ang laban ng sambayan ng Pilipino.
So sino nga ba ang mga witnesses ni Vice President Sara Duterte? Well, mayroong mahigit 70 identified at unnamed witnesses si VP Sara sa susunod na trial. Pero apparently, ilang dosena na mga witnesses kuno ni Sara ay galing sa panig at mga personalidad associated with the prosecution themselves. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga, kinuha mong witness yung mga taong malapit sa umuusig sa'yo. Pero of course, madalas nakasama doon sa witnesses ni VP Sara ay yung mga witnesses din ng prosecution.
Well, it's a process. The pretrial process, it needs to be done in order to shorten the actual trial. So, and the second thing is that you are able to scrutinize the documents and mark it, and that kind of surprised me that there are certain documents lacking certain pages, so they did not agree to jointly mark it. So you will see from the outset that there are already strategies being laid out, but they are not discussing it.
What are you sniffing?
Well,
What do you see?
even the list of witnesses, di ba sabi, you are mirroring our witnesses, but that's essentially a strategy to debunk and assail. I mean, imagine if you're going to present former Senator Trillanes and Mr. Madriaga, and that they will also be the witnesses of the defense. It's essentially to assail them. So you have to stand on what you swore in terms of the affidavit, and that was used by the prosecution. So this is interesting because sparks were made on the first day. Sparks continued on the way they appreciated the documents, and then the questioning of the witnesses, the fact that there are general and vague witnesses. So those are already tactics being laid out, and to be fair, the House appears to be very prepared with their introduction, video and the pressers almost periodically, whereas the defense chose to remain quiet. Logically, because they should not be able. Yes, they should not be able to say the plans.
Samantala, on the red corner, nasa mahigit 50 witnesses sa impeachment ni VP Sara, kasama sina alleged former kargador Ramil Madriaga, si infamous unicorn Mary Grace Piatos, former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV, at marami pang iba.
Wala naman po. Sa amin naman po, yan naman prerogatiba ng prosecution kung sino yung mga witnesses nila. So definitely if they're presented, we will be ready to cross-examine them.
Naglabas rin ng mga bigating pangalan sa larangan ng law ang prosecution panel, including Attorney Lorna Capuna.
I think in my 48 years as lawyer, this probably is what we call payback time. And this is where I think very serious legal issues are concerned, because they constitute articles of impeachment against a very high official. And that is why I've committed my time and my law firm's time to assisting the public prosecutors here in their very worthwhile cause, which is the issue of public accountability. This has been a crusade since last year, when we also volunteered to help give legal advice to the impeachment team last year. So this is a continuation of our crusade. Let me just say here that this is not about us. This is not about us, public and private prosecutors. This is about all of you. This is about the country. This is about public officials being called to task on their accountability to the Constitution and ultimately to the people.
Kaya talagang mapapaisip ka, sino nga ba ang mananaig sa dalawang nag-uumpugang bato? Sino sa mga witnesses nila ang magiging nail in the coffin para sa argumento ng dalawang kampo? At sa huli, sino ang mananaig? May impeach ba si Sara? Gaano karami ang kailangang boto? Makakaboto nga ba si Bato de la Rosa? Makakaboto ba si Jinggoy Estrada? At susunod na ba si Bongo sa ICC?
Ang video clip na ito ay galing sa aking series ng News sa Verdi Recap. Check the entire videos for the complete weekly news recap and subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date sa mga local at global news na I'll make sure will be interesting to you. Particularly you, whatever your name is. Hindi ko alam, sorry. Salamat sa panonood mga kaparami. Like, subscribe, follow me like sa socials and avoid Joseph that will be linked down below. So, susunod of course. Paalam.